As I've been part of the TME workshop, I've learned a couple of things that are useful and I've been open to a lot of things. This has made me to be clear on some of the things that I thought me and some of my fellow students couldn't do.
We were working on this project. We want to use it in toilets, especially public toilets. And when you switch it to the left, it turns red, meaning that the toilet is occupied by a person. When you switch it to the right, it turns green. That means the toilet is not occupied by any person.
TME workshop has made me to realize that as girls and other women out there involved in like electronic things and stuff, they think that these things are made for boys, but that's not true. I'm a good example here. The truth is that if you put your heart in it that I want to do this, you can do it.